Hey guys, so today I'm going to be making elotes. That's like a street Mexican corn, and these are the ingredients that I will be using. So here I have my corn, I have the cotija cheese, I have paprika, butter, and mayo. So let's get started. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to come and do is I'm going to come with my knife, and I'm going to cut the tips of my corn. And I'm also going to cut the back tip. Okay. Once you have it cut, we're just going to peel it. Which is easy. This is very easy and it's very delicious. Okay, so we're just going to peel it. Once we have it peeled, we're going to put them to boil. So I'm going to do the rest and then we're going to put it to boil. Okay, just like this. Okay guys, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to put my flames on high. And I'm just going to add water. And we're going to boil this for 5 to 7 minutes. Okay? Until it's nice and tender. Okay guys, so my corn has been boiling for 7 minutes. Now I'm going to turn off my flames and we're going to jump to the next step. Okay guys. So what I'm going to come and do, since I don't have the sticks that go in the corn, I'm just going to come with a fork. Make it simple. I'm going to grab it like this. Let me bring out the camera a little bit. And then I'm going to come, let me move this. Over a plate, I'm going to come with one of these. I'm going to take some softened up butter. You can do this exactly how you like. I like it like this, the original way. So we're just gonna put butter everywhere. Okay? Just like that. Now we're gonna come with our mayonnaise. And this is really good. You're gonna want more than 3. We're gonna come and we're gonna put the mayonnaise everywhere as well. You can put as much mayonnaise as you want, as little. Again, it's all up to you. To me, a lot is better. Okay. Just like this. Now we're gonna add our cheese. So I added my cheese in a little bowl like this. I'm gonna come with a spoon and I'm just gonna throw it on top. Make sure it covers everything. Okay, this part is a little messy, but it's okay. Okay, we're gonna flip it a little and add the rest of the cheese. So you can eat it like this once you're done like this, or you can add the paprika like I'm gonna do, or any seasoning you prefer. Okay, so now I'm going to come and add my paprika. Okay, so this is, I'm going to do it in this plate. And then we're just going to add just a little bit. You can put it all around. I'm just going to put it on the top like this. And that's it. That's my elote. So guys, I just want to thank you for watching. If you guys have any questions, please let me know. I will have what I'm using in my description below. If you have any recommendations, also let me know. And like always, enjoy and have a blessed day.